and welcome to our video for today on website editing. This is our Wix website that we'll be working on this week 9 of the quarter, and we'll start with our username, which is my email address, and our password, which is advocacy305 exclamation mark with a capital A. So let's start with project update number 1. At this point, we are ready to post, and if you don't remember what project update 1 was, it's your personal bio and picture. Again, if you do not want to post a professional photo of yourself, that's okay. You may put a logo of the place you work or something that represents you professionally. So feel free to explore the options of whatever you'd like to post. And we'll get into our website now. So let's start with our websites. So we click the link, we're back to our original website. So we'll go to Start Now. And now we'll reach this page, Create Your Own Beautiful Website. Start Now. So when you get here, we'll go to Site Actions, Edit the Site. You'll see this small kind of graphic come and move around until your website page loads. Now you're at the editing interface of the website. We'd like to start with the About Us page for Project Update 1, but if we click here, nothing will happen because we're in editing mode. So we have to go to this menu on the left-hand side of your screen, get into Menus and Pages, go to the About Us, and it'll bring us to our page. You can click that off for the time being. You'll see this editing bar on the right side. We'll go down, we have our community health kind of description right there. We have lots of students. You'll see that many of them have the same name and photo, but actually there's much more diversity in this class. So let's start with selecting any one we want. I'll choose this one, and we'll begin by editing this photo. So start with changing the image. I don't have a photo of myself here, so I'll upload my faculty photo, the most professional one I could think of at this point. There it is, it's uploading to the website, sort of a reservoir of pictures. I chose that image, and there it is. So now I will text edit. So I'll put my name in there. Oops, it wasn't long enough, but I can make the font smaller just by dragging on this. Oops. There we go. Now I will add my paragraph text. So for the interest of time, I will not be showing you where I got my text. I copied it from the Project Update 1, and I will paste it right here. That's a little too long. It doesn't fit quite well in the box. Rather than making it too small for viewers to see, I'll edit down some of the text. So after a little editing, I've decided on a brief paragraph about myself, my faculty photo. I'm done editing the text, and just click away from there, and I'm done.